Ay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here MJ Perez, Coach Shaq De Los Santos, and Jackie Acuña, the Zero Ages Spiders, who won in 4 sets against the Capital One Solar Spiders. Coach, congratulations on this victory. 4-set win. Gusto you guys na tuloy. Ano masasabi niyo sa performance?
Again, very thankful and proud sa team kasi kung anong naging game plan namin ng I think 2 days or 3 days sa training, lumabas naman siya. Pero medyo nag-struggle lang kami nung third set, but yung thing nakaka-recover kami. And knowing din naman our team, pag gusto nila talagang bumawi, gagawin nila yung lahat para may panalo.
Thank you, Coach. And MJ, you had 23 points in this game. You guys are still undefeated in Pool B, so how does it feel to be able to get these consecutive wins?
Of course, we are happy, but still we are not. It's not enough. I feel like still we feel like we don't reach our peak, and we need to push more. And especially in this kind of games, like Capital is like a team that they fight a lot. They are young. They have nothing to lose, so they come to just to fight. And we have to deal with this, and we have to be stronger and keep our mindset the highest.
Jackie, isa ka rin sa mga nag-step up for Signal in this game. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance mo?
Masaya po, pero hanggang today lang po dapat kasi job's not finished, and ginawa ko lang po yung best ko para makatulong sa team, tsaka para hindi masayang din yung tiwala na binibigay ng coaches and management.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
And Jackie, mas malaki yung role na binibigay sa'yo ni Coach Shaq. Ano lang yung mindset mo para i-take on yung challenge niya sa'yo?
Yung mindset ko lang palagi everyday is makatulong, tapos tapangan ko lang palagi. Siyempre, hindi din basta-basta natin yung mga kalaban ngayon. Talaga nag-i-step up din lahat ng team. So, nag-hard work din talaga ako sa training, tapos sumusunod lang din ako sa mga instruction ng coaches. Yan po.
Ayun, Coach, napapansin ko, mas binibigay ng opportunity ngayon si Jackie. Ano naman masasabi niyo so far sa pinapakita niya?
Well, actually lahat naman ng middles namin, laging mayroong malaking opportunity yan pagdating sa training. Kaya balance naman lahat ng nabibigay namin time para sa kanila. But nakikita rin namin kasi yung malaking potential ni Jackie, and mas aggressive din doon sa mga galawan. And pero gusto ko rin ma-expose yung talagang potential niya kasi malaki may tutulong niya sa team.
For MJ, now that you're still undefeated, is it a bit easier to navigate the rest of the way, or somehow harder because you know that maybe the target is still on your backs?
Of course, it's not gonna be easy, and actually it's getting harder. And we have to just keep working because we have a goal, and we game by game, we have to think game by game and still thinking in our goal.
And for Coach, nung bago mo buksan ng conference, siguro ko tinitingnan ng mga tabal signal yung mga kulang or yung mga nasa alas and all that. Pero ngayon po na 3-0 start and sobrang ganda po nung nilalaro niyo, gano'n pa po siguro, or nabawasan ba yung pressure, yung paunang worries, or medyo mas focus lang talaga sa kung ano gusto?
Well, siyempre nabawasan dahil grabe yung effort na ginagawa ng mga players namin ngayon na nasa team while nasa alas yung 2 players namin. And happy lang ako kasi sumusunod lang sila sa sistema na meron yung team. And kailangan mas ma-improve pa namin, like sinabi nga ni Maria. Mas magiging mahirap talaga itong mga next games namin, even doon sa second round. Kasi for sure, pag-aaralan kami ng mga teams. So, well, same lang din kami nung gagawin. Mas pagbubutihin pa namin yung trabaho namin. Mas aaralin namin lahat ng mga kalaban namin. And siguro yung pag-aalaga din sa mga players, kailangan mas maging safe sila, secure, and siyempre yung condition nila kailangan 100% every game, especially every game. So,
Coach, 3-0 po, all wins, pero not without the challenges po yung mga wins na yun, no?
At this point, Coach, ano po yung gusto nyo talagang i-work on or improve ng team going into the last few games of full play bago tayo?
I think yung consistency ng lahat ng skills namin, especially yung serve and receive. Kasi kanina sa third set, nag-struggle talaga kami sa receive namin. And all skills talaga kailangan namin i-improve. At the same time, kailangan gumalaw kami as one. Yung movement talaga namin, like nabanggit din ni Maria kanina na hindi pa talaga ito yung peak namin. So, good thing kasi, while ini-improve namin yung galaw namin o yung performance ng team, nakakuha kami ng magandang panalo, so mas nagiging inspired kami. But yung good thing din, yung every set na nakukuhanan kami, yung mindset namin, talagang nag-turn na talagang kailangan pagbalik natin sa next set, all out talaga, hindi tayo pwedeng makuha ng ulit. So, ayun.
Maria, can you talk about what was said in the huddle after the third set? And how did the team get back on track after losing the third set?
Can you repeat the question, sorry?
Can you talk about what was said in the huddle after losing the third set? And how did the team get back on track after that?
You know, we were very close to win that set, so we know that we have to push more, and because they are, as I said before, they're a young team, they have nothing to lose, so they were fighting. So I talked to the girls and the coach told to us, we have to start this set very strong. And that was our mindset from the beginning, like be able to forget the another set and start a new set with our own game. Okay, so I think that was what happened.
Coach, next game you will be against Petrogas on
Thursday.
So how will this win help you guys coming into that match against the defending champions?
Siyempre malaking sa amin to. Malaking help yung another win namin sa itong day na to. So, we're on recovery lang muna ulit, and we have 3 days para pag-aralan sila. And may chance din kami na mapanood later. And knowing Petrogas, grabe yung respect na ibibigay namin sa kanila. But yung laban na ibibigay din, siyempre kailangan mas matindi. So,
Thank you, Coach.
thank you. Yay! Tara.